Many of you maybe watching are not entrepreneurs or might be looking to be like a first-time entrepreneur. That was me. Prior to the turf industry, I was in a different sector. I was in tech. In that time of life, I had a really good living. I did well for myself, for my family, and it wasn't until a problem showed up on my doorstep that it landed me into turf. And I'd love to tell you a little bit about it. In 2021, I wanted to get a putting green installed at my yard. Am I a good golfer? No, but I do enjoy hitting golf balls in my backyard occasionally. And a friend of mine happened to have a green, and I wanted something very similar to that. Coming from that tech background that I have, I went to the web, looking for somebody who could do a green in my area. And to my surprise, the 3 or 4 people that I could find who actually did turf were very slow to get back to me. Matter of fact, the very first person that got back to me took 5 days. It was no help at all, if I'm being honest. I had screwed up the form. I don't know anything about square footage. And when he picked up the phone, he told me it was gonna cost me 80 grand for a little 15 by 20 putting green. Crazy, right? Kind of turned me off to the idea of getting a putting green. A few days later though, I found myself on a local site, much like Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist. And I found somebody that had these great pictures, but no website, no social media. And against my intuition, I decided I'd give him a call. Or to my surprise, we had a great conversation, so much that he came out to my house the very next day with those turf samples. And to my astonishment, what he was showing me was unlike anything I'd ever seen. The way those blades looked, how they felt, how realistic that putting green was when I chipped my first ball into it. I was really excited about this opportunity, and I decided, hey, I want to go with this person to install my green. At the time, I was working from home and was able to watch them do the entire putting green. And when I watched them do it, really kind of 2 thoughts came to mind. One, what they were doing didn't seem all that hard, but I also knew how much money I was about to go pay them for this service. And once they were done, the putting green looked better than I ever imagined. And I told my wife, hey, maybe there might be an opportunity for us to start a little side business. And to her credit, she hates this part of the story, but she had said, well, you're not that smart. Why don't you go approach the owner about maybe partnering up, as he was doing turf on the side? I picked up the phone and made one of the most important phone calls that I'll ever make in my life. I talked to that previous owner. We had a good chat. He was open to the opportunity about potentially partnering up on this venture. Days followed. It was during the summer months where vacations were happening. And out of the blue one day, I got a phone call. To my surprise, he had said, well, Taylor, what do you think about buying Elite Turf Supply? I didn't really know how to act. Myself never being an entrepreneur, never having owned a business, I didn't really know where to go. But I do have a brother-in-law who owns a few different businesses, looking for help as to maybe how I would look at evaluating this company, what the opportunity might be like. And the more we started to look into this, the more excited we became, and it became more clear that we needed to take this leap and go out and buy Elite Turf Supply. So myself, my brother-in-law, another business partner, we became the owners of Elite Turf Supply and have scaled it what it is today. Well, what it looks like today is 3 separate different locations. When we first started, previous owner was operating out of his garage. We knew we needed to go get a warehouse where we would be able to service our customers, people like yourself. And in a few short years, we're only about 2.5 years into this, we've been able to expand into 3 different markets with plans to open more. It's changed my life. I was able to quit my job, go full-time into this venture. I'll be honest, it's something that's so close and near dear to my heart. That's why we're doing this course, so that you can see for yourself if entrepreneurship really is for you, or if turf installation is for you, which I know it is. When we bought Elite Turf Supply, we knew there would be a market not only for the supply side, but also for the installation side. From there, we were able to scale our own installation business, and I'm really proud to say that here in the state of Utah, we've helped over 30 different entrepreneurs launch and operate their own turf installation businesses. I know the impact that we've had in our state. That's the impact we're trying to make for you, wherever you find yourself. This opportunity is incredible, and I'll give you some numbers. When we first started, we were doing low 5 figures, which can be great for some, but obviously my intentions, my ambitions are probably like yours, and now just a few short years later, we're approaching 8 figures. This is the impact that artificial turf is gonna have in your life. Starting a business isn't for everyone. I understand that, but if you're watching this video, chances are that you feel like you are meant for something more. And you are. For myself, in my 10 years in the tech community, I loved it, but I always felt deep inside that there was something more for me, and turf has been the vehicle that has helped me achieve that. I've never been more happy or satisfied working on the actual problems that I myself want to work on. You might find yourself in the current role that you're in today, solving or working on problems that pertain to somebody else. Or you might even be filling the pocket of somebody above you. True entrepreneurship, starting your own turf business, is something that's going to change your life. I'm confident of that. Let's keep going.